at Popeyes.
Don't you hate when you get screenshots?
They taking those pictures.
I think that you're my favorite. My women crush Wednesday. Really wanna tell her,
I was scrolling through the gram, girl, I had to follow. You say what's up with you?
I'm currently in the parking lot of Popeyes. Look at this. There you go. We're gonna try this for the 4th time. At Popeyes, getting ready to try this sandwich. Hopefully they have it. Don't care that much about the sandwich. Just want to get it over with. I'm tired of waiting. If you see this line, people are ridiculous for a freaking sandwich. I'm just gonna get both the spicy and the non-spicy, just so I can have at least tried both. If it's good, I'll come back when the line isn't popping. But if it's not, no love lost. So we'll see in the next couple minutes how I feel about this sandwich. Another I'm good. Plain. This one is good, but the spicier one has a more of a kick to it, so I would probably order the spicy. I like the Chick-fil-A one better though. Maybe because I didn't put pickles on any of these, but I prefer the Chick-fil-A one better.
You don't like pickles at Chick-fil-A?
I know, but I'm saying because some people are hyping this one up.
Pickles has nothing to do
I
with
prefer the
y'all.
spicy one if I have to choose the two, but I prefer Chick-fil-A's regular over this one, and I'll take this spicy over the Chick-fil-A one. The spicy one lasts because now this one tastes bland. The spicy one has like a kick.
Oh yeah, you should.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.